Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Mastering productivity, create a custom system that works. Lecture 2. In this lecture, we will learn about assessing your current productivity, assess your productivity habits, identifying your strengths and weaknesses, analyzing your time management and task prioritization, your tools and systems, reflecting on your work patterns and preferences, assessing your productivity habits. Welcome to the presentation on assessing your productivity habits. Today, we will be discussing why it's important to reflect on your current productivity habits and how doing so can help you achieve your goals. Productivity is not just about getting things done, but also about working smarter, not harder. By assessing your productivity habits, you can identify areas where you may be wasting time or energy and make changes that will help you work more efficiently and effectively. Identifying your strengths and weaknesses. Productivity is not just about working harder, but also about working smarter. One key aspect of working smarter is understanding your own strengths and weaknesses when it comes to productivity. By identifying these areas, you can focus on improving your weaknesses and leveraging your strengths to be more productive overall. For example, if you know that you tend to procrastinate on certain tasks, you can work on developing better time management skills to overcome this weakness. On the other hand, if you know that you are particularly good at multitasking, you can use this strength to your advantage by tackling multiple tasks at once. Analyzing your time management and task prioritization. Effective time management and task prioritization are crucial for productivity. It's important to analyze your current approach to these skills. In order to identify areas for improvement, one way to analyze your time management is to track how you spend your time throughout the day. This can help you identify time-wasting activities or tasks that could be delegated to others. When it comes to task prioritization, consider using a system such as the Eisenhower Matrix to prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. Evaluating your tools and systems. When it comes to productivity, the tools and systems you use can make a big difference. Take some time to evaluate the tools and systems you currently use and consider whether they are helping or hindering your productivity. Are there any tools that you no longer need or that could be replaced with something better? It's also important to consider how well your tools and systems work together. Do you have a system in place for organizing your tasks and projects? Are you using tools that integrate well with each other? By evaluating your tools and systems, you can identify areas for improvement and make changes that will help you work more efficiently. Reflecting on your work patterns and preferences. Reflecting on your work patterns and preferences can be a powerful tool in improving your productivity. By taking the time to analyze how you work best, you can make changes that will help you get more done in less time. Consider your work environment. Do you prefer a quiet space or one with background noise? Are you most productive when working alone or collaborating with others? Understanding these preferences can help you create an optimal work environment that maximizes your productivity. Conclusion. To summarize, assessing your productivity habits is an important step towards improving your overall efficiency and achieving your goals. By identifying your strengths and weaknesses, analyzing your time management and task prioritization skills, evaluating your tools and systems, and reflecting on your work patterns and preferences, you can create a personalized plan for increasing your productivity. Here are some actionable steps to get you started. First, take some time to reflect on your current productivity habits and identify areas for improvement. Next, set specific goals for yourself and create a plan for achieving them. Then, Experiment with different tools and systems to find what works best for you. Finally, track your progress and make adjustments as needed.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.